The iPhone SE4 might be the best value smartphone. In this video, we'll explore the intriguing leaks and rumors, accompanied by exclusive renderings that are nowhere else to be found. Apple is shaking things up with a fresh design departure, offering a glimpse into the all-new iPhone SE4. Breaking away from the outdated design of its predecessors, the iPhone SE4 embraces a modern aesthetic inspired by the iPhone 14. Feast your eyes on the transformative shift from a 4.7-inch LCD to a cutting-edge 6.1-inch OLED display. This upgrade is not just about aesthetics, it's a strategic move by Apple, leveraging the cost-effective nature of OLED technology to enhance the visual experience of its budget model. While the display maintains a 60 Hz refresh rate, the absence of the home button marks the introduction of Face ID for the first time in the iPhone SE series. Reliable sources from Mac Rumors suggest a noteworthy change: the adoption of USB-C on the iPhone SE4, aligning with Apple's shift away from Lightning ports across its product range. This move is not only in sync with industry trends, but also complies with the EU mandate for USB-C on all phones by 2025. The camera setup takes center stage as Apple positions it as a key differentiator among its product tiers. Leaks hint at a single rear camera with a flash beside it, reminiscent of the SE3, but speculation is rife about the possibility of a 48-megapixel sensor. While the latter might seem ambitious, it aligns with Apple's recent inclusion of such sensors in its flagship iPhone 15 models. A surprising departure from tradition is the replacement of the mute switch with an action button, similar to the one found on the iPhone 15 Pro series. This button is expected to be customizable, offering users a range of functions beyond muting, further distinguishing the iPhone SE4 from its predecessors. Switching gears, let's talk colors. While black/midnight is confirmed, there's speculation about the return of classic white and red options, with a potential new addition of a vibrant blue variant. Apple's color choices often carry subtle cues about device features, nudging users toward higher-end models. Perhaps the most exciting prospect for the iPhone SE4 is the promise of a larger battery, addressing a historical limitation of the SE line. The shift to a more substantial body allows for a more capacious battery, potentially transforming the SE4 from mediocre to impressive in the battery life department. With the upgrade to the A15 chip and future iterations, the battery performance is expected to receive an additional boost, making the iPhone SE4 a standout in its class. As for connectivity, the iPhone SE4 is set to embrace 5G, potentially making it the first device to feature Apple's custom-designed 5G modem. Apple's acquisition of Intel's 5G modem division and its pursuit of vertical integration point towards a strategic move to control every aspect of the iPhone's hardware. The release date remains a topic of speculation, with conflicting reports suggesting 2024 or 2025. While uncertainties loom, the iPhone SE4's comprehensive design overhaul and feature enhancements make it a device worth waiting for. In conclusion, with all the exciting changes on the horizon, it's safe to say that the iPhone SE4 is not just another iteration, but a significant leap forward in Apple's budget smartphone lineup. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay in the loop on all things Apple.